they're all just water, right, with different food color. Yeah, so this one actually, this red one is hot water, and the blue one is cold water. That's why it's also, yeah. Can you go there for a while, because this might make a little bit of spilling, right? We don't want your clothes to get wet. So the red ones are hot water, and the blue ones are cold water. Now what we're going to do is we're going to stack them together and observe the flow, right? Observe their movement, because we're talking about convection. So the first thing that we will do is we are going to put the cold water on top of the hot water. So I'll just cover this one. This one's a bit messy. We'll just make sure that they're aligned. Now, before I remove the card, what do you think will happen? Will the two waters mix together, or will they stay there on their places? Mix or stay? Mix. Stay. Right? So if we're not sure, we look. Right? We try it. So I'll just remove this one slowly. And you're right? It actually starts to mix. Medyo mabagal lang, but it starts to mix, right? Yeah. So there's again two kinds of water. One is hot and another one is cold. So let's take a closer look. For example, this is the hot water. When it's hot, what do you think the water molecules would do? Would they stick together, or will they be energized and move around or move away from each other? They will be energized, right? When there is heat, there is energy. So the water molecules are far apart, right? And this is also what we call thermal expansion, right? Because of the heat, the water molecules kind of expand, right? Move away from each other because they have a lot of energy provided by the heat, right? How about the cold water? Do you think they will stick together, or will they expand? If it's cold,